NASDAQ this week has started the week with a rising in value, and we can see the price has formed a gap between the open and close price on a Monday, and the price has moved 2 days to the upper side, where the price has made also a bullish break at about 2,015.2.83, and then on Wednesday the price has returned back down with a strong bearish candle, reaching the strong support level at 19891.23. In the next day, the price has closed the gap, which was expected that the price will return eventually to close this gap, which usually all the time happens. We can see that in the past, and it has happened after several days. The price has returned and closed the gap. And if we go in the past, we will see the same scenario. So it was expected. It was just a matter of time when the price will return back. And we can see the price on the Friday formed a strong bearish candle, where the price returned back down to 19153.27 support level. Week has closed as a bearish, we can see that clearly, and it is a bearish engulfing candle, which has encompassed the previous week candle, and also the price is closed below 19539.01 as support level. The monthly time frame shows me that we are still in the bearish month, and it will be probably closed as the bearish month because it is a pretty strong bearish candle, and all the indicators which you can see on all time frame indicating further decline in value. So currently the price is below 19539.01, and the next one is 18313.39. so I'm expecting that the price will drop down in value in the following week. Weekly time frame shows me also 18843 is the next support level where the price is heading. The daily time frame is currently at the support level 19153, but eventually I think on the Monday the price will try to make a bearish breakout if it doesn't open already with a gap, which is highly probable because NASDAQ likes to do that. And we can see that on the 4-hour time frame, the price is currently at 19153 as support level. We can see that here, so it needs to be broken in order to continue to lose its value. For now, as it looks for NASDAQ, I am more inclined to see the price moving down further, which I have already explained. At 18843 is the next support level where the price is setting. This is something that I am expecting the price will try to reach next week. Let's be cautious and wait for the 4-hour time frame, a breakout, a bearish breakout below 19153.27, and especially how the Monday will open after the weekend, with a gap or without the gap. This will show us much more information. But also remember, if there is a gap, the price will try eventually to come and close that gap, if not the same day, in the next few days, which is normally a pattern that the NASDAQ is doing. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.